So today I'm gonna draw Anya, and here's the reference photo. And we need to draw the structure according to the reference. So let's begin. And here, like always, we need to draw a circle in the middle of the paper. There is no specific size for this circle. You can draw it of any size. And as you already know, this tutorial is gonna be super easy. So don't worry and grab your sketchbook and pencil and you can start drawing along. By the way, don't forget to watch till the end and like the video. So now it's time to split the circle into 2 equal parts by drawing a center line. And after that, I'm going to split it into 4 equal parts by drawing another line. And if you are seeing me for the first time, then don't forget to check on the other tutorials. And if you like them, then don't forget to subscribe too, because you may not see me again. And now I'm drawing 2 more lines around this line at equal distance. The upper 2 lines are for the eyes and the lower mark is for the nose. This mark is for the mouth. And now let's start drawing the actual structure by drawing the hairs. In this case, eyes and nose are perfectly marked without any mistake, while the mouth, we need to be a bit careful about that. That's also a reason that I started drawing with hair rather than the eyes, so that we may be able to confirm where the mouth actually exists. And the reason I choose this picture is, there are many reasons by the way. First of all, I like this. Secondly, I put 2 pictures on my Insta story. The one with her big green open eyes, and the other is this one. So basically this one won, so I chose this. Third reason, that the picture of her with big green eyes has already many tutorials on YouTube, but I couldn't find any tutorial about this picture, so I decided to give a tutorial on this one. Fourth reason, as a viewer of this show, I liked this picture more, and that's also the reason why I'm so confused while choosing pictures, because I focus on too many aspects. And then in the last, I choose one that come up to my criteria and is valid for giving an easy tutorial. I actually take too much time to choose a reference, and sometime when I couldn't find a perfect one, I usually combine 4 to 5 or maybe a tens of pictures to get a perfect one as a result. But now I think I shouldn't do that. I should be drawing the actual reference that happens in anime. Yeah, that's the right thing. And also, don't forget to comment what do you think of this tutorial. Like, was it easy? Was it perfect? Was it super easy? Or was it bad? Or is there any room for the improvement? And what do you think of the character? Of course, I would love to know. So go ahead. And as now I'm drawing the mouth, you can see that the ends of the mouth are almost equal to the lens in the eyes. Like the mouth and the lens are ending at the same place. Kind of good connection. and I really had so much trouble to draw her hair because the reference is not giving the full look. So I again went and looked into a lot of more references. So I was finally able to draw her hair after removing them for like 5 to 6 times. So finally we are done with the basic sketch, and now let's remove it a little bit and start doing the outline. And here I'm using this mechanical pencil which has HB leads. And for the shading, if you don't have pencil grades and using your only HB pencil, which is a normal one, you just need to follow the exact thing. The difference is I will be changing the pencils but applying the same pressure on them, while you won't be changing the pencil but changing the amount of pressure you are applying over the pencil and on the paper. Like the place where I'm doing dark shading with a dark pencil, you will be doing the shading in that place with the same pencil with a bit more amount of pressure. And for the lightest areas, like if the character has white hairs, leaving them blank will not be a problem. But you will need to create shades at some points, like at the ends of the hair strands and many random places. The thing I just told about shading is just so basic. Many of you must be aware of it already, but to be honest, as a beginner, I used to be confused. And here I forgot to draw her artificial cat ears. So let's draw them now. It's just gonna make her cuter. So that's a 2B pencil, which is a bit darker than HB. That's a 4B pencil which I'm gonna use to shade in a lens because we of course need a darker one. And in this sketch I tried to do light shading as much as possible, but in the end it was still a lot of shading. Anyway, it was looking good. And this is a 2H pencil which is lighter than HB, and gonna shade in the whole hair with it. That's a sketching razor pen. You can use your ordinary razor too for this purpose I'm gonna do. And finally do your signature, and here I'm doing mine. Here is the final look. And if you like this tutorial, then don't forget to comment and like it, and also subscribe to my channel if it helped.